fifth model, bearing brushes. So to do that, go to order, enable base reference plane, and then hide this icon. So first we'll go to home, click on sketch. So we're going to take the coincident plane as the top plane. Now we will going to create this cross section. So this is the top view. We are going to create this cross section and revolve it through 360 degrees. 180 degree with reference to this. So to do that, so first we will go to project to sketch, go to this and say include all these two horizontal and vertical line. Now he says it is at a distance of this diameter 41, which is on this side. So here I will say offset. So take the distance as this diameter is 41. He has given this as 41. So to do that, so here I will go to offset, take the distance as 20.5, which is 41. Then from here we have 39, so 19.5 on either side, on like this and on like this. Then again from here we have the dimension which is 48, so that is offset 24. So then again we have the dimension as 28, so go to 28. From here you offset. Then we have 33, that is 16.5 on either side. So this is how you will be able to create this model. So go to trim corner between these two and between these two, then between these two, between these two, then between these two, between these two. Then go to select, delete this one and go to trim between these two and these two. So this is the cross section what you will going to get. So go to close sketch. So now you just go to home, click on revolve protrusion, select this sketch, accept, select this line and revolve it through, angle is 180 degrees. So we're going to click on this. So go to finish. Now we need to get the oil groove. So this oil groove which is here, which is at the center of 3 by 1 mm deep. So to do that, so first we will go to home, click on sketch, so click on the front plane. Now the dimension is at the diameter of 48. So since it is at the diameter of 48, so here the diameter of 48 what he has given, and this 1 mm deep from the top, so that means, so 24 minus 1, which is going to be the 23 mm radius at the bottom. So to do that, so I'll go to circle, so click on center point as this point, so take the diameter as 48, then we have radius 23, so you take the same on this 23, and here he says the angle is 90 degree, so he has given it is 90 degree here. So I'll go to this, so go to line, take the center point of this and take 100 mm, angle 45 degree. So again you just take offset, take the distance as 3 mm from here on this side, and then you mirror this with reference to this for this. Then go to select and select this and remove it. Then go to trim this side and this side and trim this side. Now we have the cross section. So now we need to go to the close sketch. So I need for 3 mm depth, so go to 3 mm breadth, so go to cut, so click on this, accept, go to symmetric extend and take the distance as 3 mm. So we got this groove which has been done by considering this dimension. Now to do the vertical direction, so we'll go for ISO. Now we go to home, click on sketch, click on parallel plane. Now we're going to take the parallel plane, that is at this distance we have this oil groove which is to be made, which has a oil groove of 2 mm width of 0.5 mm. So to do that, so here parallel plane which is at a distance of 24 mm, because 48 is the diameter. So you go to in project to sketch, click on OK, you click on this and click on this. Now go to offset, take the distance as 11 on this side, and similarly on this side, and take the distance as 1 on this side, and similarly on this side. Then come down to zoom area, then go to circle, take this intersection point with reference to this. Similarly with reference to this, you take it on this. Then go to sketch, so click on this center and then remove this and remove this, then remove this. So then go to trim this portion, similarly this and this. Now we have this portion, go to close sketch, and now this has a depth of 0.5. So go to home, click on cut, click on this, accept. So go to one side, take it as 0.5. So that will go. So we get this, go to finish. So now I think this has not been done. No. So here go to home, click on cut, select from sketch, on this sketch, accept, and take it inside and take the distance as 0.5. And click on this and then say finish. Now we have this groove has to be done for 3 times. So that means on either side. So go to home. So to take up the pattern, click on home, click on pattern, select the click on feature. I will just click on this cutout and I say OK. Click on planar face on this plane. Now click on the center point of the arc. You just click on this. Click on the center point of the arc. You're going to take on the center. Click on the radius. I will take it on this intersection point. It can be on 23 or 24, whatever it is. So here the count is 2, keeping the original. So the sweep angle, so from here, so this is the reference point. So from here, this is the sweep angle is 45. So I need to click on this side. Okay. Then close this. So we have a pattern which has been done. Finish. So we can see on this side it has been done. Similarly, you can do it on this thing by considering the mirror. Go to close sketch. So now go to home, click on mirror, click on feature to be included the mirror. I will just click on this mirror feature and then I will accept. Click on the planar face on this plane. So I will say finish. So now this is how you will be able to get this 3 parts which has been mirrored. Now we will go for the hole to be done. That hole of 3 holes of diameter 2. So to do that, so here, so we go for ISO. Now go to home, click on hole, click on parallel plane, select this top plane, take the distance as 24 and then come down to this, take the diameter as 2, click on this center, click on OK, take to the bottom and say finish. Now we go for a pattern. So go to home, click on pattern, click on feature, click on home, accept, click on planar face on this plane. Now we need to go for this. So I will click on the center point, this center with reference to this. Now here the sweep angle is 45 degree. So the number of count is 2. So you just click on this and say close sketch. So we have a hole now here on this side. We can see there is a hole on this side. Now to do the hole on the other side, you just go to fit, go to home, click on mirror, click on select features to be included in the mirror feature. You just click on this pattern, accept it, click on a planar face or the reference plane of the mirror with reference to this, go to finish. Okay. Now to do this, you can see on this face we have a mirror also, which has been done. So this is how you will be able to create this model. So all these things are being placed centrally. So now this is the correct position of the bearing brasses. Now we go for fit option, and from here you go to ISO model. Now we go this 1.5 mm here. So that means you have this 1.5 mm to be removed. So to do that, so I'll go to home, click on sketch. So click on this plane. So here you just project to sketch, you click on this, and then from here you take a offset 1.5 mm. You just take it above, then go to line, you take some extra line here so that it will go to cross this, create a surface which is covering this, and go to trim corner between these two, between these two, between these two, between these two. Now just go to close sketch, click on home, click on cut, coincident plane as this, accept, remove it. So now we want to save, go to application button, click on information, go to material properties, click on bronze, bearing brasses is material is bronze, click on apply to model. Then again go to application button, click on information, go to material table. So go to file properties, go to file properties, go to summary, type bearing brasses and click on OK, and then click on save. It will going to be saved as bearing brasses, and then this is how you can create this model and say exit.